Hi, I'm Tom Duncan. I'm the President of Worx Tools, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about some of the great innovations that we've come up with here at Worx and how they came about. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite tools is the Worx Pegasus work table. One of my absolute favorite tools that we make is a tool called the Pegasus work table. And I remember several years ago we were kind of in these brainstorming meetings. We were trying to come up with different ideas for some tools that we could launch. And so we had this discussion about what was everyone's favorite tool. And I remember mine. I remember when my wife and I bought our very first house, and we didn't have a lot of money, so we really had to do it ourselves and renovate it and repaint it and do all these projects to update our house. And I remember I went and I bought this small little work table, and it had these two little dials that you kind of twisted around and it moved around and you could clamp things on it, and it was great. I mean, at the time it was probably really useful. I mean, I used it on all the projects around the house, but man, that thing was heavy and it was bulky, and I just remember lugging it all around the house. And so I said, well, can't we come up with something new or better? And so I challenged our guys, and oh man, they knocked it out of the park, because this Worx Pegasus work table is so versatile. It's so lightweight. It's so easy to use. It sets up literally in seconds. It's all in one piece. It's got these integrated clamps where you can clamp your project or whatever you're trying to do. Keeps it solid as a rock. Keeps it at different angles, so you can do doors and you can do furniture in this thing. It's really just amazingly versatile. And I've done a lot of DIY projects over my lifetime, and I tell you, I love to have a nice work surface, because usually you're not working in your workshop. You're usually working, wherever your job is. And so it's nice to have just a little work table that you can keep your stuff on, keep your tools on, or somewhere where you can work. First thing I do when I do a job is I go and look for where's my Pegasus, grab it out, set it up, and then I'm ready to go. So a project doesn't start until my Pegasus is ready to go.